Today, we review the 5 best portable generator for camping that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000 Power Station. As an option to own the endless solar power, the Explorer 1000 can gear up with 2 Jackery SolarSaga 100W solar panels, upgrading into a Solar Generator 1000 system. The revolutionized MPPT technology provides a 23% higher conversion charging efficiency. Powerful and versatile ports, the Explorer 1000 features 3 standard pure sine wave AC outlets, which will provide extra capacity to power more AC devices and appliances. Extra bonus for the built: unlike most other portable generators, this supports pass-through charging while its battery life is protected. Noiseless, strong and safe, at such large capacity, this Explorer will leave you with very little to no noise, giving you the peace and power all at once. Its interior/exterior is well designed to ensure the product's safety, while your devices and appliances are protected while being charged. What you get: 1 Jackery Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station, 1002 WH Portable Power Station, 1 AC Adapter, 1 Car Charger Cable, 1 SolarSaga Parallel Adapter Cable, 1 User Manual. Number 2. Power Supply with Super Bright Flashlight. Are you looking for a versatile and powerful portable power station? Well, look no further than the 83WH Portable Power Station from. This handy little device is perfect for camping, fishing, traveling, and outdoor activities, as well as emergencies. It features a variety of outputs, including 2 QC 3.0 USB ports, 2 USB-C ports, 1 DC port, and 1 AC output socket. Plus, it has a super bright LED light and an SOS mode for emergencies. And it comes with a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Portable Power Station Flashfish Portable Power Station. Are you looking for a reliable and portable power source that you can take with you wherever you go? If so, the Marbero Portable Power Station is the perfect solution for you. This portable power station is equipped with a 88WH, 24,000 mAh, 3.7V capacity battery, 2 QC 3.0 USB ports, 18W max, 2 USB ports, 5V 2.4A, 1 USB-C port, PD2, 0.18W max, 1 DC port, 12-16.8V divided by 10A, 13A max, and 1 2-pole and 1 3-pole output socket, 80W running, 120W peak. It also features a 3-level brightness LED flashlight with 2 lighting modes, steady light and flashing light, SOS mode, to meet your different needs. The portable power station can be charged via AC outlet, adapter included, with 5 hours, or it can be charged under the sun with a Marbero solar panel, 15V 24V, 1.2A, not included. The Battery Management System, BMS, allows for voltage control, temperature control, and more advanced safety operations. The portable power station is also designed with cooling vents on the back to help keep the. Number 4. Flashfish 60,000 mAh Power Station. Looking for a powerful and reliable backup power supply? Look no further than the Flashfish G300. This generator is perfect for a wide range of devices, from your CPAP machine to your Christmas lights. With its 212V DC ports, it can also be used for your car vacuum, car refrigerator, and car air fan. And if that wasn't enough, it also has 2 QC 3.0 USB ports and 1 2.4A USB port to charge your phones, tablets, and other electronics. What makes the Flashfish G300 stand out from the competition is its durability and safety features. The silver case is made of metal and the black ends are made of plastic, making it more durable than other generators on the market. Plus, with its 300W continuous power and 60,000 mAh battery capacity, it can charge your devices more reliably. And if that wasn't enough, it also has a built-in short-circuit protection, low-voltage protection, and overheat protection. But the best part of the Flashfish G300 is its portability. At only 5.6 pounds, it is one of the lightest generators on the market. Plus, it comes with a convenient handle, making it perfect. Number 5. Portable Power Station Flashfish Portable Power Station. As we all know, our dependence on technology has only increased in recent years. We now use our smartphones for much more than just making calls or sending texts. We use them for entertainment, work, and even to keep our homes safe. With all of this increased usage, it's no wonder that our battery life has become one of our biggest concerns. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to keep your devices charged and ready to go. One of the latest innovations in the world of charging is the power station. A power station is a portable charger that usually comes with multiple charging outputs. This means that you can charge multiple devices at the same time, or even use it to power appliances in your home. The Flashfish Power Station is a great example of a power station that comes with multiple charging outputs. It has an AC output, 2 DC outputs, 2 QC 3.0 quick charge USB ports, and 1 USB port. This means that you can charge your smartphone, tablet, laptop, camera, light, drones, fans, in-car appliances, CPAP machine, and more. One of the best features of the Flashfish Power Station is that it is equipped with a lithium battery pack. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.